Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I just have a quick little sample clip from our members section for the video swing chart. So if you're brand new, you don't know what we do here, it's all about learning to trade stocks, options, and being better on the stock market. So you can check out some of those members offerings that we have in the membership section when you go ahead and go to tradersfly.com. So head on over there, and then there'll be a membership section there. You can click that link, and it'll link you right up to all the offerings that we have. Now, there's also some great books and courses that we have available if you want to ramp things up, your trading, your education, all that good stuff. Check those out as well. In either case, let's get started. I'll share with you a quick clip and give you some insight on directly from the members section. So this is a quick little clip. For the members areas, you get the full clip and the full access to the whole video. Check out Home Depot here. Let's take a look. Home Depot, as we look at it, it's one that's interesting for a possible breakout. Very simple chart pattern here, some resistance. The volume has been decreasing just slightly, but if you look at kind of this little range right here, you could see this is a little bit of that support right here where this was resistance, which now makes it a little bit more solid support. And you can see here we've also had some support and resistance kind of play out. So if this stock breaks, what you're watching for is a possible break. If we break past the 240 level with volume and nice price spread, this could be a good sign for the stock. That's really what you're looking for, is you're looking for that breakout, nice breakout, healthy volume, and good wide price spread could be a good thing for the stock. Again, until that point, stay a little more neutral. Once it does happen, once the breakout continues, and you have the movement and you have the price beyond it, then you could say, hey, it looks good. But until that point, be patient, because you never know if you do get that rollover or that little bit of a pullback. Here's one for a little bit more of a speculative play. Here's a monthly chart for you. Check this one out for those of you that like to trade a little bit cheaper stocks. You can see here's a little bit of a sideways pattern. There's your support, moved sideways, bullish volume here picking up in a big way. You had this nice ramp up acceleration, and then after that acceleration, you've had this little bit of a breakout area here that happened right there. There's kind of that breakout zone, and it now continues. So the question is this an A to B to, here's our C, and now are we going to get a ramp up to D, which could be around $80 or so pattern? Well, it's possible, but again, it's speculative play. It's not a stock that trades a ton of volume, but you do have nice bullish volume coming in. And you can see the earlier volume was contracting as we were consolidating. So I say it looks good if you're looking for a speculative play, speculative idea, which basically means a light or small amount of cash or capital. All right, and here's one, Slack Technologies, one of the newer companies here. Here's a nice breaking out pattern right here from the lows. So if you're looking for value buys, if you're trying to fish, if you're trying to get things at lower prices, that's kind of what you're looking at, is this company right here. It's held here for multiple months, and now it's trying to make its way higher, and you can see right there, it's starting a stock after a massive multi-month pullback is attempting to roll back to the upside and make its move higher. So this is the start of it. That's kind of what you're watching. There's not a lot of technicals behind it right now, beyond kind of that. So you could see there's kind of the trend that's been moving lower. So we were moving to the downside, moved sideways, and we turned that boat around, and now it's attempting to move higher. Will it continue moving in a stair-step way? Maybe, but you can see this could be a beginning where that downward trend is now changed to a sideways trend, and that sideways trend is now changing to an upward trend. So this could be a good positive move for the stock. A little more speculative just because this was a IPO kind of in this region and area. All right, so I hope this video gave you some insights to what we do behind the scenes on the members section. And of course, if you're brand new to the channel, feel free to subscribe by clicking the face icon here, or join us on our mailing list so that way you get notified as we release new things, new promos, discounts, coupons, courses, books, live classes, live webinars, all that good stuff. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.